Hi, everyone. We are going to continue on with lesson 17 in Ready Reading, Connecting Words and Pictures in Informational Text. Today, we are going to be working on pages 286, 287, and 289. So today, we are going to read a history article together. And then in your breakout groups, you are going to reread the article, paying close attention on the connections between the words and the map. So as you are reading, I would also like you to place check marks above any confusing words and phrases. And I'd like you to discuss those confusing words and phrases in your groups to see if you can figure out the meanings. And as you are reading, I would like you to consider several questions. The first one is, where were some of the earliest canals built? And what is a canal? A canal is a waterway made by humans as a passage for boats or ships. Question 2. When was the Panama Canal completed? And question 3, how was the old route different from the new route? So again, those questions are, where were some of the earliest canals built? When was the Panama Canal completed? And how was the old route different from the new route? And so looking on page 286, this article is entitled The Amazing Canal by Del Sutcliffe. Please take a look down here at the close reader habit box. Please underline key details in the article that tell why canals are important. And on the map, circle the number of miles for each of the routes from New York City, which is here where my cursor is bouncing, to San Francisco, which is right here. So again, you need to underline key details in the article that tell why canals are important, and then circle the number of miles for each of the routes from New York City to San Francisco. So you're going to see a blue line and a red line. The blue line is the old route. The red line is the new route. All right, starting with paragraph 1, please follow along. Here we go. The canal is one of the greatest inventions the world has ever known. A canal is a passage that uses water. It creates a shortcut, allowing boats to travel through a land area. Without the canal, boats would have to travel around huge areas of land. Some of the oldest canals were built in Egypt nearly 4,000 years ago. The Panama Canal is one of the most famous modern canals. It was completed in 1914. The canal stretches 51 miles across the Isthmus of Panama. It connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Before the canal was built, ships had to go around the tip of South America. The canal made the trip much shorter, faster, and safer. Okay, on page 287, you are going to have 2 questions to answer. The first is, according to the map and the text of the passage, what does the Panama Canal connect? And question 2, based on the map and the text, what did you learn about canals? And so on page 289, you are going to offer a short response to this prompt. The author says that the canal is one of the greatest inventions the world has known. Write a paragraph telling why the author may have said this. Use one detail from the text and one detail from the map to support your answer. And here at the bottom, again, here is your checklist for writing. Did you read the prompt carefully? Did you put the prompt in your own words? Did you use the best evidence from the text to support your ideas? Are your ideas clearly organized? Did you write in clear and complete sentences? And did you check your spelling and punctuation? All right, everyone, we'll come back together for any last minute questions before you head into breakout groups.